And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to an episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, yes, again, it is something different from my usual unboxing. So, yes, I started to get into the Gundam TCG as well as for the assemble. I just don't have the starter set for the Gundam symbol, but I do have another starter deck for the Gundam card game. And yes, this is a starter deck which is called the Flash of I'm sorry, the Flash of Radiance. And as you can see here, yes, these are two units or two Gundams that is found in the Gundam Hathaway movie. We have the Penelope and the Gundam Z. Okay, so opening up and seeing what's inside the box. Let's be careful, as this is a bit tricky to open. Here we go. Right, so we have here the 50 card deck as well as the resource. We also have here the instructions for the Gundam card game or how to play it. And taking a look on what are the cards here. Alright, so yes, in order to play you have some resource cards. I think there are 10 of those. Yep, and here we have the actual 50 card deck already. So let me just put this on one side. And here you have it. This is a Z Gundam. The Penelope is here. And of course, some commands. We have units. Oh, the Messer is here, which is good. Messer type F, and then Mine Layer for the Messer is here. Penelope is here again. The Gustav is here. Oh, Hathaway Noah is here, which is a pilot. So is Lane Aim, which is for the Penelope. Some commands, and Lady Luck, I forgot who this is. And yes, we have a base, which is called Davao. And yes, this is a city which is here in the Philippines. And of course, we have the EX base and the EX resource. If I do remember correctly from the rules, is that if you go second, you have that EX resource which you for the first turn, and then after that first turn it totally disappears. And of course, both of you have the EX base. And yes, inside the starter deck is also a bonus pack, and it is one card, and I am not sure. I'm wondering what is this card. So let's see. Let's open it up. Oh. And we have a Gustav Karl type 00, a full version of the card here, right? And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of this starter deck, Flash of Radiance, for the Gundam card game. And this is me saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.